keep on busy. That thing is not important. On what activity you are busy, that matters a lot. Okay. So are you busy with the high result activities or not? That matters a lot. Next, doing everything yourself. Doing everything yourself. You are feeling that it's the best approach, but that is the worst approach. Okay. So in your activities, if there is any chance to remove, it is completely useless. What is the need of doing this activity? If you have such a type of activity, can you please remove that from your daily routine? Anyone having such a type of activity in your life? Audit your activities at least a couple of days. At least a couple of days, 2 days or 3 days or 4 days once. Okay, audit 4 days your daily routine. Daily routine, audit. Okay, array, today I did these activities. Tomorrow or otherwise yesterday I did these activities. Okay, like just 1 week or 3 days, just list out all the activities. List out all those activities. Which activity really waste? Okay, there is no use of that activity, but still I'm doing. Remove that activity. Next up, if any activity, there is a chance to delegate. Yes, it is required, but I'm not required to do this. Okay, there is a delegation possibility is there. Delegate that activity to any person. Delegate that activity to any person. Maybe your sibling or maybe your friend or maybe your team member. Like you require to delegate that activity so that you have plenty of time. You can concentrate on higher level activities, which are your zone of genius, which are in your zone of genius. Yes, naturally you are strong somewhere. Okay, there only you require to concentrate your total time. You require to keep your energy. You require to keep your effort there only. That thing matters a lot. Golden rules, friends. Priority list, delegation, one task at a time. We discussed multiple times in the last sessions and even yesterday also. Golden rules, okay, for your happy, peaceful life. Remember. Next, do you know? Keep on work. That is not best strategy. Your family time, your health, your relationships. Okay, like spending the time with yourself, all those things matters a lot. That is called life. Life means work. Work means life. No such type of thing. Okay, work should be part of our life. Remember carefully, right? So in the last session, I covered multiple examples. Okay.